Hello world, welcome back to another exciting episode of Augie Hikes. My name is Augie. Today I will be hiking the Appalachian Trail, hence the name. I'm sitting here on top of a mountain where I camped last night. Look at this view. I'm just appreciating what I'm seeing right now. Here, I'll even stand up and show you. Pretty cool spot. It rained all night into this morning, so I just stayed into my tent and rested to avoid getting soaked, even though it's not that big a deal to be wet out here during the day, as long as you have dry sleep clothes. Yeah, there's the mothership, there's the view, here's the Augie, getting ready to share my day with you. But first I gotta filter water. This extremely yellow water. I still can't get over that color, but it's what I got, it's what was available, it's what I'm drinking. Trail Magic from Walnut Valley UMC. There's nothing in it besides trash from what the Trail Magic was there, but I just wanted to share and show that people are doing that stuff out here. That's great. Ooh, there's water here. Should I get water? I have water. I'm gonna look and see when the next source will be. This is pretty though. It's probably cleaner water than what I have. They have a pond, they have all kinds of like amenities basically, and someone even put in far out that they put a bunch of pay it forward treats or meals or something for thru hikers here, so I'm just gonna check it out. It seems like, I was just talking about how don't know how far I'm gonna go, and I'm taking my time and enjoying things, and this seems like a pretty cool place. It's the Appalachian Mountain Club Lodge and Visitor Center and all the things. You got breakfast platters, sandwiches, baked goods, waffles and pancakes, music on the mountain. Okay, I'm headed back to the trail. Right where I left off. I'm gonna climb up Kittanini Ridge. Beautiful. This would have been a great campsite. I almost wish I came further yesterday. Look at that. Tent there, view there. Yowza. I like that. I like that a lot. But it's time to move on. That's a big fire tower. I read that it's closed. Yeah, no trespassing. That's fine. I don't like climbing big towers. I like the view, but they always kind of scare me anyways. Guys, I'm on the trail to the Fountain of Youth. I'm trying to find the Fountain of Youth. On Google Maps, it doesn't show on far out, but on Google Maps there is a waypoint called that, Fountain of Youth Spring. And I'm trying to find it because I want some water, and the next two water sources are people call them beaver water because it's brown from a beaver pond. So I don't want to drink beaver water. I want to drink from the Fountain of Youth. And that's where I'm headed. Okay, so walked along this road, came out on an overgrown trail onto this road, hung a left, and then here's what I find at the Fountain of Youth. Oh, I see frogs, first of all, but there's the Fountain of Youth, guys. I've found it. This is the water that's gonna save me from drinking beaver water, and it looks so pure. Man, I need some youth. So we'll see what happens here. Maybe I should stock up on this water. He's just chilling. Oh, there he swam away. This is beautiful, guys. I gotta go this way. And I guess this is kind of where the water just runs down the hill here. Probably becomes one of those brown streams somewhere. This is the Beaver water. Beaver outlet, they call this spot. Thankful for these rocks. I'm gonna go this way. It is just flowing right here. Oh, that's the Beaver Dam. Look at that. That's fascinating. Right? That looks like a beaver dam to me. That looks like some natural architecture there. Like that hump in the middle right there. All that earth. Like under that and in those branches. Am I gonna see a beaver here? That'd be so cool. I've never seen a beaver before. Guys, I have never seen this before in my life, and I find this fascinating. There are 100% beavers in this area active right now, at least one large beaver, because not only is there this tree knocked down, chewed by a beaver. I've seen pictures and animations of that, but never in real life. But not only is there that, there's this active project of a beaver's. Look at that. That's kind of scary. That's getting ready to go. And I think it's gonna fall. Look at that. That is wild. Never seen that before. So big old beavers coming up out of the water down there. Somewhere in there, there's a little trail you can see it takes. And it's just chewing on this tree, and I imagine it's gonna fall right in the trail. So on that note, it's a big dead tree. Beavers are so cool. Snacks with a view. I have found water. Interestingly, the water sources on this section of trail have not been listed on the far out, but you can see them in the comments of other waypoints nearby, and one of them you could see on Google Maps, the Fountain of Life, like I was saying. This one has some pipes, and it's a ways off. It's like 0.1 down just like a side mountain road that's just totally overgrown. Like, look at this road. Half of it's taken over by plant life. But I'm gonna get some water here. Just wanted to show. I see a beaver. I can't believe it. I've never seen a beaver in real life, but that looks like a beaver out there. Just swimming right across the surface. What? I have seen a lot of trees chewed by beavers out here. It's coming this way. It's just swimming around. Little water mammal. I don't know if you can see that on the camera over there, but that's pretty magnificent. Home sweet home. Got the mothership all sorted. Just gotta get my sleeping pad out. I got all my clothes hanging up to dry. It smells a certain way in here. Everything's soaked and damp and sweaty. But I got my sleep clothes on. I'm drying out. My feet are still quite soggy, but I got dry clothes and I got dry sleep stuff, so that's what matters out here. If you get wet, that's okay. Everything can get wet as long as your sleeping stuff is dry. So I sat here butt naked for a second to let my body dry out before I put my sleep clothes on. So this is a great spot though. I'm really happy with this. I'm right on the water. I brought this rock here to act as a cooking surface, so I'm gonna get my pot out and start cooking up stuff and start boiling water while I get the rest of my sleep stuff out. So this is where I'm gonna call it for the night, guys. It's getting dark. I'm gonna have me some pad thai here. Maybe I'll try and take some shots of it. There you have it, folks. Pad thai on the trail. 730 calories and it's vegan. Yummy.